we're going to take a look at selecting different themes. Themes are your basic design, the overall design of your site. You can modify those quite a bit through custom settings in the theme itself or through CSS. And if you're familiar with CSS, you can make just amazing changes, or you might have a designer do this. But I'm going to show you just the basics. So in the WordPress dashboard, we come down to Appearance and we look at Themes. And it's going to show us the themes that we have installed currently on our site. So by default, it installs 2012 and 2011 gets installed as well. Those are the basic WordPress themes. We can go to install new themes and we'll take a look at the theme installer and the options that we have and you can also go out and search on Google and just look for free WordPress themes or premium WordPress themes. You'll find kind of a slew of them, and there are different design types like newspaper themes or magazine themes and themes that are specific to, for instance, photo galleries and very, very customized for specific industries. So you have the ability to search down here through a number of options, color schemes that you want, 1 column, 2 column, that means this is 2 columns. Here's our content, here's the right column of information. So 3 columns, 4 columns, left sidebar, right sidebar, and you can do a whole bunch of, find a whole bunch of other options. You can look up what those mean. But we're going to take a look at, for instance, the featured posts that WordPress has right within inside your WordPress install. You can go and take a look at what is hosted or in the library up at wordpress.org. And it's going to show you a preview of what these sites look like. So that's an interesting one. I've never seen that one before. So let's just choose this one here. It's got a very specific design. The sand between my toes, buttercream is what it's called. So we're going to install that. I wouldn't use that theme per se, but I'm going to show you what happens. And it does the install for you. You can do a live preview. I'm just going to activate the theme. And we're going to do this with a couple just so you see the impact. Now it's got a place where you can customize information about that particular theme and theme options, change the header, background information. But we're just going to go right with the direct install. We're going to refresh this page. And there we are. We now have a new WordPress site, a new look and feel. Let's go back into themes again. We're going to go back to install themes. I'm not going to go into any of the options, but those are things we can take a look at. We'll be looking at widgets at some point and what those are. And so we went to featured. Let's look under newest. What are the newest themes that they have up on WordPress.org? Attitude, Toothpaste, AR Web Studio. This one's like a photo gallery magazine type theme, it looks like. You can click on these to get some details about that theme. So tells you a little bit about this theme. It's a responsive WordPress theme. This is an important term, by the way. Responsive means the theme will change sizes based on the browser viewing it. So mobile devices will look different. It will resize itself for a mobile device. We're going to install this theme just because. Now we don't have any blog posts set up with images, so that's going to impact how it looks once we activate it, but I just want you to see kind of what's there, what options are available. Now if I refresh the page, we have a new look, and of course there's nothing up here for us to to show the images. Obviously it uses something like featured images, which we'll take a look at later on, and we would need multiple blog entries, and it kind of scrolls them along the page here. That's what I'm assuming based on what we saw with the theme design like this. So that's how you select a theme. Pretty simple. Now in that you can customize these quite a bit. We'll look at what customization options this theme has, for instance. So the site title and tagline, we can also change that under settings. The logo, we can put a logo up there and it lets us upload a new logo, select a file. We're not going to do that right now. Dynamic grid layout with excerpts. It's telling us how these excerpts are going to be. A dynamic grid layout with excerpts. We can make it a one-column layout. One-column layout with full post. Featured image and full post displays. So it just shows us some of the options there for how we're going to lay out our site. What can we put here at the footer? A background image if we want one, how we want that to appear, no repeat, tile, horizontally or vertically, the position, whether it scrolls. So once again, a number of customizations. Here's colors. We get header text color, background color, and link color. So for instance, it's showing us the header text color. If we wanted to change that, make it red. Save and publish these changes. It's showing us, by the way, what it's going to look like. And now if I refresh this page once again, we've changed the color of the header. So that just shows you what's available with the variety of themes. And like I say, there are just dozens and dozens of themes. I use the Catchbox theme on a couple of my sites. I really find those to be pretty nice. I actually bought the professional version, but if you look under Catchbox, we do a search by theme name. It shows me Catchbox, Simple Catch, Catch Everest. So these are all from Catch themes, and you can actually go to their website and see some of their themes. And there are a number of, they have free themes and premium themes in all these versions. So I use Catchbox, which it's showing you here it's responsive. So on a PC it will have one look, on a tablet another look, on a mobile phone a smartphone it's gonna have another look. So that's why I choose it. I think all of these themes are responsive. That's my belief, but you'd have to go check that out. In any case, that's one of the things to look out for with any theme you choose. Next, we'll take a look at some of the other settings and ultimately creating a blog post and how you get search engine benefit. But this is how you can change the design of your site very quickly. And like I say, hundreds and hundreds of themes out there. You can read reviews about them. So take some time and take a look for a basic design that fits and that you believe can be modified over time.